Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are going to make delicious herb scrambled eggs. So if you're looking for new ideas for breakfast and you like eggs, you are going to love these herb scrambled eggs. They're really easy to make. So the ingredients in this recipe are eggs, water, kosher salt, oregano, basil, minced garlic, ground pepper, and cooking spray. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and break our eggs. We're going to put them in the mixing bowl. So we have 5 eggs, and I like to crack them and put them in a cup first and then dump them in the bowl, just in case they're shells, or if I don't like the egg, I don't have to dig it out of the rest of the eggs. So next I'm going to go ahead and add the water. We need 1 tablespoon of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and you can adjust these seasonings to your taste, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, and then we're going to go ahead and whisk the ingredients, and you can use a whisk or a fork, and I usually use a fork. I just poke the yolks and then stir them. Okay, so you're going to stir till all the ingredients are well blended. So next we're going to go ahead and spray our skillet with the cooking spray. And we're going to go ahead and heat this over medium heat until the skillet is hot enough so if you drop a drop of water it will sizzle. So we'll go ahead and heat the pan next. Okay, let's check to see if the pan is hot enough. I'll just put a drip of water. And it is sizzling, so we'll go ahead and we're going to add our garlic. We have 2 to 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. I have already prepared garlic. You could, of course, mince your own if you would like, but I always do this. It's fast and easy. So, and you know I love garlic, so I'm going to put 3 teaspoons. You can adjust the garlic to your taste too. I think that was more than 3, but it's going to taste good. Okay, so we're going to just stir this around for about 1 minute. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and put our egg mixture in. Go ahead and give it another whisk and pour it in. Now you're not going to stir it right away. You're going to let it cook until it sets and thickens around the bottom and around the edges. So we'll just wait for a minute while it sets. Okay, you can see how it's thickening around the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stir the egg mixture. You're going to gently stir it and let the uncooked portions go under the cooked portions. So just gently stir it like that. You're not going to constantly stir it. So if you want, you can turn pieces over. You can see it's getting quite brown on the bottom. I think I'll turn down the heat a bit. So you're going to cook the eggs till they're thickened all the way through, but still moist. And at our house, people like the eggs kind of brown like this, but other people don't want any brown. So just make it how you like it. Okay, when they're done, go ahead and take the pan off the heat. Okay, so our herb scrambled eggs are finished. Go ahead and add some pepper to taste. You can also go ahead and add more salt if you would like. And you could even add ketchup if you want. What do you like to put on your scrambled eggs? After I turn the camera off, I'm putting ketchup on. But I know some of you don't like it, so I'm not going to. Okay, so try it this week. Really easy, just takes an extra minute longer than regular scrambled eggs. Time to try it. It is so good. It'd be also good like as a burrito. Be good with pasta sauce, mozzarella cheese. A lot of possibilities. Try it and let me know how it turns out. So if you like easy, healthy recipes, subscribe, push that bell button, and you'll get notified whenever I post a new easy, healthy video for you. I'll see you in the next lesson.